We're very happy to be here at Hannover Messe this year in 2022, after several years where this event did not take place. The importance of this event is to see this very large ecosystem of automation manufacturers, partners, manufacturing facilities, all coming together for one cause, Industry 4.0. How do you get Industry 4.0 going in terms of sustainability, in terms of more business intelligence, and making the machines do more? We have many examples here that you can see, such as intelligent machine tooling, wireless packaging machinery, wireless robotics, and wireless condition monitoring. All these are addressing many areas in the plant and not just in one area, and also many industries, packaging industry, automotive industry, metalworks, and many more. CoreTigo is focused on creating flexible and faster manufacturing solutions. We do this by leveraging the IO-Link wireless technology. IO-Link wireless is breaking the limits on machine connectivity. We're creating solutions and applications that were not possible before. What we're seeing is that the consumer behavior, on one hand, is demanding much more mass customization, but on the other hand, the volumes and the capacity that manufacturers are required to do keep on rising. This is creating a gap because manufacturers today need to trade off between flexibility and capacity. CoreTigo, with its solutions, is actually bridging this gap.
Wireless Technology wird in der Zukunft einen wesentlich größeren Anteil in der Automatisierung haben, weil es ganz einfach die Flexibilität der Innovation unterstützt. Und hier wird CoreTigo ganz sicher einen großen Beitrag beim Maschinenbau und in der Industrieautomatisierung leisten.